Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up and use iCloud on your iPad. iCloud is one of the key features connecting multiple iOS devices. Not only does it allow you to back up and restore your iPad without plugging it into your PC, but you can also share documents in the iWork suite and share photos via PhotoStream. Normally, you would set up iCloud when setting up your iPad, but if you skip that step, it's easy to set up iCloud at any time. First, go to iPad settings, tap on your ID, and locate to iCloud. Tap on it. If iCloud is already set up, you will see your Apple ID next to account. Here are a few important iCloud functions. Enabled features will show up with the green switch. Turn features on or off by tapping the switch. First, mail. If you choose an email address for your iCloud account, you've enabled iCloud Mail for your iPad. With this turned on, you can read iCloud email through the Mail app. Verify whether or not an email address has been set up by tapping on Account. Contacts. Your contacts list will be stored on iCloud.com. And if you have contacts turned on for any other iOS devices, it will sync your contact list between devices. Calendars. The calendar will let you mark events and meetings and keep them in sync across your devices. You can even set up meetings using Siri. Safari. Turning on Safari in iCloud will let you open up a web page on your iPad and then move to another device like your laptop or iPhone and easily open up the same page. Notes. The Notes app is a great way to share information between devices. Set up multiple notes, and when this is turned on, access notes from iCloud.com as well as on other devices. Photos. PhotoStream is a great way to share photos with your friends and family. It will also keep your most recent photos synced between your iOS devices. And the others are Keychain, Documents and Data, Find My iPad, Storage and Backup. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.